your curry paste. So I'll go through the ingredients first of all. So we've got some turmeric, some curry powder, some cumin, tomato paste, garlic, chilli, onion and some salt. And if by magic. Okay, so we're just going to pop these into the blender. I do need to remember now that I have touched chilli not to touch my eyes. Very important to remember that. Keep telling yourself, do not touch eyes. Okay, there you go, that should be fine. Nicely broken up, so ready now to move over to our cooker. And it's as simple as that, curry paste. All you need to do now with that is just let it cool down and pop it into the fridge, and it'll last in the fridge for up to a week. I hope you've enjoyed my recipe today. If you have, please do give me a like. And if it is that you would like to see even more really simple recipes, please do consider subscribing to my channel. If you've got any comments, any feedback, or you just want to say hi, pop that below. I'll be more than happy to look at them and get back to you. Thank you for watching my recipe.